Guys, if you're watching this video, sorry, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever part of the world you're watching this video. Is Henry on this video today, coming to support this channel. Like, I want to tell you that as a beginner coder, you're just learning, you just know HTML. You can start creating website, sharp website, like website with good graphics, with good design. But the only problem you're going to have in is back end. Yes, it's back end. So if you can get a friend that can do back end, and you can actually do the front end as a beginner HTML coder, yes, simple and short. You just type AI ChatGPT. We're going to use AI for this function. This is very fast and very easy. Once you know the basics, you can create a website and you can start doing projects once you know the basics. So you just come to ChatGPT, okay, this is ChatGPT. You sign in, but okay, let's sign up. Let's sign up for ChatGPT. I'm going to continue with my Google. If you have a Microsoft account, you can continue, or if you're using an Apple device, you can continue with Apple. So I'm going to continue with Google account. All right, when you sign in, now ChatGPT enables you to communicate, to ask questions. Is whatever questions you have, you can ask ChatGPT and it's going to give you preferred answer. But for this tutorial, it's going to ask you for months, so I'm just going to put, okay, the name is Code with Gabriel. Code with Gabriel. Date of birth, I'm going to put month is let's do this. Let's just put, I don't know if this is a birthday, but this is not mine. Let's put this. Okay, agree. Once you agree, so it's an open AI platform where you can communicate with AI, artificial intelligence, and it's going to give you results. All right, so let's go. Nope, I don't want the pro. This AI feature is very, very accessible and it's free of charge. So you just type HTML code for you specify what you want. If you want to create a 6-page website, you're going to specify. If you want to create a 10-page website, 5-page website, a standard website, professional website, you're going to specify so that the AI can understand what you really want. Yes. So the more specific you are, the more it can give you what you want. Yes. So for this video, I'm going to say create a 5-page school website. Yes, school website. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a 5-page school website, basically 5-page school website. So I'm typing HTML code for a 5-page school website. HTML code for a 5-page school website. Let's say attractive, so that the design attractive HTML. No, let's not attractive HTML. Attractive code for a 5-page for an attractive 5-page school website. All right, so once you click that arrow there, all right, yes, the codes are coming up. So this is how you can create a website in minutes once you know the basics of HTML. How can you learn the basics? Go to my YouTube channel, Code with Gabriel. We teach you the basics of HTML. We teach you the basics of HTML. Go to this channel. Come to this channel. It's going to teach you the basics of HTML. Just come to this channel. It's going to teach you the basics of HTML. Now the codes are coming up. The codes are coming up. All right. I said 5-page. That's why it's taking time to give me. All right. This is the first page, second page, course page. Because I specified a school website. No, school website basically contains the home page, about the school, the courses the school offer, the faculty if it's a university, the contact. So I'm going to copy these codes and I'm going to paste them in my code editor. So there's a copy option here. I just click the copy option. I come to my code editor and I'll Ctrl V to paste. All right, it's saved as youtube.com. I will untitled. Okay, I'll come, go back to my Chrome. This is the first page. I'll copy the second page. All right, copy the second page. Okay, let me just paste it in the same. Let's not paste it there. Let's paste it in another. Okay, let's just paste it here. Let's paste it. We come. So you just copy these codes. All right, so once you've copied all these codes, you copy the styling. Now the styling, you should know this as a programmer or as a coder. The styling, you have to embed it in the codes you have copied. Let's say this is an HTML code for the about. All right, let me save, Ctrl S. Let's say tutorial. Let's just say code behavior. Okay, so let's go to our desktop because it's saved in desktop. Let's go and run that code. Let's leave ChatGPT. All right, code behavior. Open with Google Chrome. Let's run it with Google Chrome. Yes, this is how it's going to look when you have not styled it, when you have not embedded the styling. So I'm going to come and style it right now. So let me style this right away. Let's go to the styling. Whoa. Okay, this is style. Let's come here. You know, HTML has an open tag and it has a close tag. So I just, okay, style. I'm going to come here and I'm going to close it. Alright, so I'm going to copy this into the original. Notice just the styling. Now I didn't write all this code. These codes were generated by ChatGPT. These codes were originally generated by ChatGPT. Now once you understand the basics of coding, you will just, it will be very easy for you. It will be very easy for you to create whatever you want. I'm just checking. Alright, so under this code, under the body you come and you paste this. Now I'll save and we are going to run it one more time. So let's run it. All right, as you can see, this is the home page because I've embedded the styling. So basically, this is how you can create a 5-page school website in just minutes. You don't have to start writing so much code. Just learn the basics. Now I can edit all this. I can add image. I can do any stuff I want on this web page, and it's going to come out all good. So when clients come and say, hey Henry, we want you to create a website for us. Hey Code Gabriel, we have this job for you. Create this website. We are just going to come to ChatGPT, give us the what we need, and we are going to modify it. Why? Because we know the basics. We know what every code means. We know how to modify. We know how to style on our own without asking ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has made it very easy for us. Yes. So this is how you can make use of ChatGPT to get the best, to save time. Just go and use ChatGPT. It's very good. Like, let me show you some work I did with ChatGDP. There's a school website. Okay, let me just open it. Let me open it. Holy Trinity. I've been working on this for like some days now, like 2 days. All right. Okay. So this code, well, everything you're seeing, I've not even modified it. Is generated by ChatGDP. ChatGDP generated it. I'm just going to edit, add the school picture, and do some basic back end. Yes. So once you know how to the basics of HTML, and where can you learn that from? From my YouTube channel, Code with Gabriel. Just go to Code with Gabriel YouTube channel and watch those videos. You're going to learn how to go about your HTML, how to what the meaning of all these tags, their function, how to write them correctly, and all those stuff. So basically, this is how you can go writing codes in just minutes. In just minutes, like this is so easy. In just minutes, right? So if you think this video just added value to your coding, just made work easier for you, just do all to subscribe, hit the notification button right away. Thank you. Love you guys. Peace out.